In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Claude Code CLI and integrate the Qwen API with MCP. We'll start by installing the Claude Code command line tool. On Linux or macOS, run the official installer from claude.com by piping the install script to bash. On Windows, open PowerShell and run the installer from claude.com/install.ps1. When that finishes, confirm everything is working by typing Claude, then two dashes version. If you see a version number, the CLI is ready. Next, get your Qwen API key. Sign up with the official Qwen provider, then copy your API key and secret. Keep them secure, treat them like a password. You'll use the key to authenticate your request. Now install the Qwen SDK. If you're using Node.js, run npm install Qwen-API in your project. If you prefer Python, run pip install Qwen-API. This adds the client library you'll call from your code. To keep secrets out of your source files, set an environment variable for the key. On Linux or macOS, export Qwen_API_key equals your key. On Windows PowerShell, use setx Qwen_API_key followed by your key. After setting it, open a new terminal so your tools can read the variable. Create a clean workspace for your code, make a folder named Claude Qwen project in your home directory, change into it, and open it in your editor. Keeping everything in one place makes it easier to manage multi-file reasoning with MCP. If you want Claude to understand your project context, initialize MCP. Run Claude MCP init with a context value of 7, then Claude MCP load pointing at the current folder. This helps Claude remember your files and streamlines Qwen integration. Let's wire up the Qwen API. In Node, require the Qwen client, instantiate it with the API key from process.env, and write an async function that calls generate with a prompt and a max token limit. Log response.txt to see the result. In Python, import Qwen client, read the key from the environment, call generate with a prompt and max tokens, and print